What's up guys, welcome back to Team Performance TV. Today we're going to be graphene coating the wheels on this G80 M3. So the first thing you want to do is find your jacking points. This one seems to be right here. BMWs are easy. There's a pad for the jack pad to stay on, so it makes life a whole lot easier. So to remove this wheel, you're going to need a 17mm socket. I have a wheel protector socket from Craftsman, just in case the socket hits the wheel, it won't damage the wheel. And the wheel is off. So I already did the majority of the cleaning. I'm just going to give it a once over where the lug nuts were, and on the inside of the barrel needs to be done as well. All I have here is some wheel and tire cleaner, and in the soap bucket some car wash soap and a rag. This wheel is a pain to clean, so graphene coating it is going to help that process later on. Because I don't want to be cleaning this thing all the time, and it takes like half an hour just to clean the wheels. And being that it's brand new, there's nothing stuck to the wheel yet, this is the best time to coat it. So now it's time to do the rear of the wheel, the inside barrel. Like I said, being that it's brand new, it's going to be fairly easy to do. When the wheel's on the car, you can't get to all of this. So this is just making it a whole lot easier for us. So I will be doing all four, but I'm just going to record one because why see the same thing over and over again? At the same time, since the wheel is off, I'm going to coat the caliper as well. So now we're going to blow dry the wheel. I'm just going to give it a once over with this towel. This is a waffle towel from Adams. I don't really use it to dry the cars, so it's getting purpose to do this. You want to make sure the wheel is really dry. Any water can affect you putting the graphene coat on the wheel. So now we have to prep the wheel. All you need is rubbing alcohol. This is rubbing alcohol in this bottle. I just repurposed the bottle. It's an Adams surface prep anyways, so all it had in it was alcohol to begin with. I'm going to get a clean microfiber rag and dry the wheel now. This ensures that the graphene would have the proper adhesion to the wheel. It also evaporates too, so that'll help. Now we got to do the back. So I'm using the Adams graphene coating. I'm doing the back first just so I can put the wheel down. You want to give it like 2 to 3 minutes depending on your climate to get the right adhesion. So it's been about 5 minutes. I'm gonna wipe it off. Now the fun part, to do the face. So I didn't like that the graphene coat couldn't get in all the angles and creases, so I have a spray version. This doesn't last as long as that, but we'll make it work. At least the whole caliper will get coated. Now we're going to put the wheel back on. And we have to torque it. These have lug studs, so yep. So you want to torque it to 104 foot-pounds. When you hear that click on the torque wrench, that's when you stop. And that's what the final product looks like. All shiny and clean for now.